Understanding, rope something off, an essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, rope something off. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English communication skills. Let's unravel the meaning, usage, and examples of this phrase to make your English learning journey a bit easier and more fun. Stay tuned. Rope something off means to separate or block off an area using a rope or a similar barrier. This is done to prevent people from entering a specific space, to designate areas for certain activities, or to protect something from being touched or disturbed. The action involves using a physical rope or barrier, but the phrase is also used metaphorically in some contexts. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations. Events, when certain areas need to be restricted to the public or reserved for VIPs. Crime scenes, police often rope off areas to preserve evidence. Construction sites, to ensure safety by keeping people away from dangerous areas. Museums or exhibits, to protect valuable items from being touched or damaged. In a sentence, you might say, the museum staff roped off the ancient artifacts to prevent them from being damaged. To help you better understand, here are some examples of how rope something off can be used in everyday conversation. Due to the accident, the authorities had to rope off the area until further notice. They roped off a section of the beach for a private event. Please rope off the newly painted area to avoid any smudges. And that's a wrap on rope something off. Now, you know how to use this phrase in various contexts and understand its importance in both literal and metaphorical situations. We hope this video has been informative and has added a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beautiful world of English language with us. See you in the next video.